Alright, so you do have to remove the rear armrest. We have the back seats out, so this thing you just pull it up and it just comes off like that. Technically you have those two clips right there. Alright, now we're going to be removing the backrest on the Cl63. We're using a 10mm socket. There's going to be two of them in there, it's kind of, you can't really get to it. There's going to be one right here. Alright, so just pull it up. Alright, now we're going to be removing this door, not door panel, quarter panel on the right side, passenger side, Cl63 2008. We're using T25 Torx to remove this little chrome piece. It just comes off pretty easy. Okay, so these are directional clips. Basically slide towards the back of the car. And this is the one that's actually holding it towards the front of the car. So you have to slide it forward towards the front of the car to unlock it, and to lock it back in towards the back of the car. Okay. There's gonna be a clip right here. I just didn't record it right now. It's this kind of clip, just pops out pretty easy. Then you do need to remove the sill, door sill. Just gonna use a wrench. It's a little easier. You don't have to take it off fully, but it's easier when you put it back in. Okay, just gotta disconnect the window switch. Alright, so now we're going to be removing the whole window regulator with the glass. So we're going to start out by removing the window seal, the upper piece. It comes off as two pieces, the outer and inner. It's glued on, so it kind of takes a little bit of work to get it off. I'm not able to get you a good angle. Now we're using 10mm socket. Alright, so now we're going to remove this nut. It's a 13mm. Now we're going to be using a T30 Torx. It's going to be 3 screws on there. This thing is glued on, so you just gotta kind of work your way through it. So now we're going to have another 13mm. Alright, so now we're going to try to pull it out towards the inside of the car. Watch the back corner. It's going to be a little issue. Forgot to unplug it. Make sure you unplug the window motor. I guess we're just gonna try to separate right now. It's not really coming off fully. Alright, we try to do it as one piece, just to make it a little simpler. So, but at the end we just separated them. You could do it either or, but if you're gonna leave the glass inside the panel, just you're gonna have to disconnect the motor, slide the glass up and down, just kind of find the 3 bolts, the 3 torque screws, take them off, and then you're gonna be able to remove the glass first if you're just doing the glass. We tried to do it last time, we couldn't really find them in there. It was kind of hard to get the middle one, but so this is one way.